Hello, Anne.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right, very good. So, have you finished eating your dinner now?
Yes.
So, what's your food for tonight?
I didn't remember it.
Oh, what time did you have your dinner?
Maybe 6:30.
Okay, maybe that's 6:30. Well, that's too early for us Filipinos to have their dinner because our dinner usually is 7 or 8 in the evening. Okay? All right. Well, I remembered, Anne, that before you told me that you still go to school on Saturday morning, right?
Um, now, now maybe not.
While before you go to school on Saturday morning.
Before.
Okay. So I think today or right now is your summer break at school, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, because one of my students told me that they will go back to school on September. How about you?
Maybe, um, maybe just August.
This August. Okay, well, you still got what's today? Today is May, June, July. So you got 2 or 3 months more to spend your vacation at home, right?
Yeah, maybe.
All right. So, okay, and for tonight, we're doing some activities. So, the first activity will be a reading activity. Okay, Anne?
Okay.
All right, let's begin. All right. So, this is reading and writing. Okay, so as you can see, we have here a list of words. Okay, what are the words that you can see on the screen? Can you read it?
An engineer, a journalist, a farmer, history, English, a nurse, art, a dentist, geography, factories, banks, maps, airports, and libraries.
Okay, that is correct. So this is part number 1. Look and write. Choose the correct words. Okay, so you do not have to write. Just read the sentences. Okay, we have here an example. Businessman, businesswoman, and secretaries work at their desk in these places. So the answer is offices. Okay, how about number 1? Can you read it, please?
This person works outside in fields in the countryside with animals and plants.
Okay, what's your answer?
A farmer.
Okay, a farmer is correct. How about number 2?
This person, who usually wears uniform, works with people who are ill in hospital or at home. A nurse.
A nurse. Very good. Number 3?
Um, People make a lot of different things in these places. For example, radios, clothes, and toys.
Mhm.
Factories.
Okay, factories is correct. Number 4?
Children study this subject at school because everyone needs to use numbers. Maths.
Maths. Number 5.
You should go and see this person if your teeth hurt. A dentist.
A dentist. That is correct. Okay, let's continue. Number 6.
You can read books or study in these places because they are usually very quiet. Libraries.
Libraries is correct. 7.
If you study this subject, you look at maps and learn about different countries and people in the world. Geography.
Geography. Okay, number 8.
People go to these places when they want to get some money.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Banks. Number 9.
People who are good at this subject are good at drawing and painting pictures. Art.
Art. And last one.
It is people's job to write.
Persons.
Person's job to write in newspapers about things that happen in the world. A journalist.
Okay, a journalist is correct. So very good, Anne. You got a perfect score of 10 points on our first activity. Very good. You always get a perfect score. Okay, now let's proceed to part number 2. Look and read. Say yes or no. All right, so look at the picture very carefully. Okay, number 1. Do you want me to read it for you? Or do you want to read it for yourself? What do you want?
Maybe I'll read it myself.
Okay, very good. So number 1.
The flag on top of the bigger boat is black and white. No.
No, because what's the color?
It is just yellow.
Okay, it's just yellow. Number 2.
The pirate who is sitting next to the parrot has finished his drink. No.
No, number, okay, why? Why not?
Because in the glass there are there are drinks. Yeah.
Yes, they still have drinks on the glass. Okay, number 3.
The pirate with a black bird has got an umbrella in his hand. No.
No, okay, because what is on his hand?
I don't know what is in his hand.
Yeah, well, wait, where is this? The pirate with the black beard. Well, nothing is on his hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there's nothing on his hands. Number 4.
The 4 pirates who are wearing t-shirts with stripes are playing volleyball. Yes.
Yes. Number 5.
The pirate with the long hair is making a castle on the beach. Yes.
Yes. Number 6.
The blue butterflies are smaller than the butterflies with red spot. Yeah, it's must.
Yes, that's correct. Number 7.
Under one of the trees, there is a box which is full of gold treasures. No.
No, because what's on the box?
There was cakes and drinks.
Yes, very good. There's cakes and drinks, not treasures. Okay, next one. And this is part number 3 with 5 questions. So Sarah is talking to her teacher, Mrs. Brown, about a museum which they are visiting. So read the conversation and choose the best answer. Write a letter A to H for each answer. You do not need to use all the letters. There's one example. So example, Sarah, have you ever been here before, Mrs. Brown? So the answer is letter B. Yes, I have, Sarah. Okay, let's continue. Number 1. Is it your favorite museum, Mrs. Brown?
Maybe H.
Okay, what's H? You read it.
Yes, it is. Because there are lots of interesting things to learn here.
What do you like looking at most?
Um, See the old plates. I think they are beautiful.
Okay, where are the dinosaurs? Because I'd like to see them first.
Um, Maybe letter F. They are on the first floor. Turn right at the of the stairs.
I've got my camera here. Can we take pictures?
D. Yes, if you like, that's fine.
When are we going to leave, Mrs. Brown? I'm tired already.
Um, G. I don't know yet, but before 2:30.
Okay, very good. So again, 5 points for you, Anne. Next one. So this is part number 4 with 6 questions. Read the story, choose a word from the box, write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There's one example, okay? So you're going to choose your answer from the box, okay, Anne?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start.
Okay. Mom and Michael arrived home at midnight after a visit to grandmother's. There was no moon and there were no stars in the sky. So it was a dark night and there were no lights on in the house. Mom looked in her bag for her key to open the door, but it wasn't there. And it wasn't in the pocket of her coat. But Michael had a small torch in his bag. Um, he he turned it on and they looked everywhere again. What are you going to do now? To do? Whispered Mom. Dad's at Uncle John's house tonight, and all the windows downstairs are closed. I don't want to camp outside all night. Suddenly, they heard a man. He opened the door. Who's there? He asked. It was Dad. It's only us, laughed Mom. Oh, say that. I came home early from Uncle John's. I was in bed. Come in. It's cold and dark outside. We know, said Michael and laughed.
Okay, very good. So what do you think is the best name for that story?
Um, 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 I don't know the name of the story yet.
Okay, well, the answer is the third one, okay? Michael and Mom, get Dad out of bed. Okay, so 5 points for you. So next one, Ed. Now, this is part number 5 with 7 questions, okay? Look at the pictures and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, 3, or 4 words, okay? So this is a story about William's dad loses his new car. All right, so Anne, Can you read the story now and answer later the following questions, okay?
Okay. One evening after work, William's dad was going home in his old blue and white car when suddenly it stopped. He couldn't start it again. There was a lot of traffic behind him on the road. A policeman came and together they pushed the car off the road. That's enough, William's dad thought. I must have a new car. I'm going to buy the silver one that I saw yesterday. So on Saturday, he bought a new car. William and his dad wanted to try it, so they drove into the town. After half an hour, they decided to go because they were hungry. They found a place for the car in a small, quiet street and left it there. They had a snack in a cafe and then they decided to drive home again. Outside in the street, William's dad said, "Where's the car? Which road is it in?" "I don't know," said William. They spent 15 minutes looking for it. Then they found a policeman and said, "We can find our car." The policeman looked at them and said, "I help you find the car. But is it a blue and white one?" "No," said William Jack. "Good," said the policeman, "because I remember you and your old car." They looked in all the roads near the cafe and soon found a new silver one.
Okay, so we have here some examples. Okay, William's dad was going home when his old car stopped. The colors of the old car were blue and white. Okay, so, all right, question number 1, and on the road behind the old car, there was blank. Oh, wait a
Uh,
minute. Oh, yeah, that's correct.
um, a lot of traffic.
There was a lot of traffic. Okay, number 2, blank and a policeman pushed the old car off the road.
William's dad.
All right, William's father or dad. Number 3, William's father decided he had to get a blank.
A new car.
Yes, a new car. Number 4, William and his father went into blank in the new silver car.
Into maybe the town.
Yes, in the town. They left the new car in a blank and walked to a cafe.
Um, in a um, small quiet street.
Okay. After their snack, they looked for the new car for
Um, 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 I don't know the answer about it.
Okay, so the answer is 15 minutes. Okay, so number 7, the blank who helped them find the car was the one who helped Dad before.
The policeman.
All right, the policeman. Okay, so um, all right, so you got one mistake, so total of 6 points. Okay, so for the last part, this is part number 6 with 10 questions. Read the text and choose the right words and write them on the lines. Okay, example. Wood comes from trees and also from a few other smaller plants. It is strong, easy to cut, and you can find it in many places. Okay, so the answer is many. Okay, what is it? Many places in the world. Okay, continue.
We burn it when we are cold, and we make thousands of different things with it. Um, there are two kinds of wood, hardwood and softwood, but they are only names. They are not hard or soft. The difference is this. They come from different kinds of trees and um, their wood is good for different things. Most hardwood comes from trees with leaves, which um, um, maybe fall.
Which fall? Yes, that's correct. Which fall in the autumn? Okay, continue.
These trees um are are called deciduous trees. Hardwood is good for tables and chairs, for example, because it is more beautiful than softwood. Most softwood comes from trees which have leaves in summer and in winter too. Um, Softwood is good for big things, for examples, bridges, and we can make paper, paints, and plastic from it. Wood, wood is not expensive or difficult to get, but we must be careful. We are um, um, use the wood from the words jungle and
Again. What is it? Used or used?
maybe just use.
Okay, we are using.
The wood from the word jungles and forests very quickly.
All right, so one mistake. We are using is the correct answer. Okay, so 9 points for you. Okay, oh, there's one more. This is part number 7 with 5 questions, okay? So read the diary and write the missing words. Write one word on each line, okay? So in this part, and you must think of your own words to use in this letter, okay?
Okay.
All right, so it's Tuesday, September 4, okay? Start reading now.
This morning when I was eating my breakfast, the postman came with a present for me. But my birthday is
What is it? But my birthdays.
um maybe in.
But my birthdays in. Yes, correct?
Well, I opened it in there. Um um in there there was a beautiful new camera in it and a letter which said you have um, mm, you have um, maybe um, maybe win. I
You
just
have
maybe win. I don't know.
Okay, win is correct, but it must be on the past tense, okay? So it must be won.
You have won our competition. I couldn't understand it. I showed it to mom and she said, last summer you you took an excellent photo of a circus. I sent it to a competition in one of my magazines. Now I want to be a photographer when I'm older.
All right, very good. So, okay, 4 points for you, Anne. Good job. Okay, wait a minute, Anne. Let's open the next activity. All right, so this is an activity about a different world. Okay, but before that, our first activity is letter A, choose and write the sentences and complete the story, okay? So the story is about a planet. Okay, so you have to choose your answer from the orange box, okay, Anne?
Mhm.
All right, start reading now.
Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is smaller than Earth. Mars has it looks red from space.
Okay,
Mars' surface is very dry and rocky. Mars has the largest mountain in our solar system. It is Olympus Mons. It is um, 24 kilometers high. Mars has two moons. They are Deimos and Phobos.
okay. All right, so now let's have this activity letter B, read and match, okay? So you have to match the words from the left side to the right side, okay? Number one,
Mars is smaller than Earth.
okay, two,
Mars' surface is dry and rocky.
okay, very good. Last one,
Mars has two moons.
okay, Mars has two moons, very good. Okay, next one, and all right, so look at the picture, okay? We are going to talk about the different planets on the solar system, okay?
Okay.
All right, so what are the names of the planets? Okay, based on the what they call this one? Based on the sequence, okay? So the first one is
Um, Mercury.
all right, Mercury. Next is
Um, Venus.
Venus,
Um, Earth.
Earth,
Mars.
mm-hmm,
Jupiter.
mm-hmm.
Saturn. Um, Uranus. And Neptune.
All right, very good. So we have how many planets?
Um, 8.
8 planets, okay. But you know what? And when I was still studying, we have 9 planets, okay? So the ninth planet is the planet called Pluto. Did you ever heard of that name before?
Yeah, I
All
have,
right.
but now I did not see it now.
Yes, because it is already eliminated in the solar system because the scientists said that the Pluto is not included in the group of planets because it cannot be seen anymore because it's the distance is very far away. All right. So they decided to not include Pluto in the solar system anymore. Okay. All right. So let's answer the following activities. Okay. This is word practice. Letter A. Choose and write the word. Okay, so you can choose your answer from the words under the pictures, okay?
Okay.
So number one,
Earth is the third planet from the sun.
from the,
Maybe sun.
yes, that's correct. Two,
It has one moon.
okay, next.
There are many oceans on Earth.
Mm-hmm.
There is life on Earth.
Very good. Number five,
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in our solar system. It has many maybe bands on its surface.
okay.
It has four large moons and many small moons.
Okay, very good. Next, number nine.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun.
Mm-hmm. Oh
It is
no, second. Second
uh,
is the answer. Okay, next.
it is the sixth planet in our solar system.
Mm-hmm.
It has beautiful rings. It has many moons.
All right, very good. So one mistake, total of 11 points. Very good. All right, next one. All right, so now let's answer letter A. Read and match the sentence and discuss your choices. Okay, so number one, it is the sixth planet. What will be your answer here?
Um, Maybe in our solar system.
From the sun. Okay, how about number two?
It has bit of rings um, around the planet.
Very good. Three?
There are 8 planets in our solar system.
Okay, four?
There is life on Earth.
Very good. Five?
Mars is smaller than Earth.
Okay, last one.
Jupiter is the largest planet in
Oh,
our solar system.
very good. So, okay, number one is only wrong. So 5 points for you. Okay, next one. Let's move on. So let's have a grammar practice. Okay, letter B. Read the mistake and correct it. So example number one. It have many moon. So the wrong word is have. So the correct word must be has. Okay, so number two.
The wrong is small. It must be smaller.
Okay, very good. Small is wrong. The correct word is smaller. Number three.
The wrong word is moon. It must be moons.
Very good. Next one.
Um, the wrong word is look. It
Mm-hmm.
is
Looks. Okay, number five.
um, mm,
What's number five? There are life on Earth.
maybe I don't know this.
Okay, or is the wrong word because it must be.
Maybe is.
Yes, very good. Number 6.
The wrong word is water. Water can count.
All right.
What?
Okay, water only. Number 7.
It is maybe um I maybe um uh maybe it changed to the name.
Okay, very good. It must be the. Okay, good job, Ken. So 7, oh no, 6 points for you. Okay, next one. So we have here a chart. Okay, so choose and complete the chart and write the sentence. Okay, so you can, okay, let's write here. All right, so and number 1, what is the correct sentence? Okay, you just have to fix it.
Um, Venus um um is the second planet from the sun.
Okay, very good. 2.
Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system.
Okay, 3.
Venus is a little smaller than Earth.
Okay, very good. 4.
Venus is called the morning star or evening star.
Next.
Venus, it rains on Venus.
Okay, last one.
The rain, acid rain, is acid rain. Yeah.
Okay, the rain is acid rain. Very good. Okay, good job, Anne. 6 points again for you. Okay, now we have to make a sentence about this one, okay? So let's start with Earth, okay? So in Earth, you must make only 3 sentences about it, okay? What can you say about Earth?
Earth is the third planet from the sun.
Okay, that's correct.
Earth, there is life on Earth.
Very good. Next.
Um, it has one moon.
Okay, how about Jupiter? Okay, give me 3 sentences about Jupiter.
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun.
Okay, it's the
Um,
5th
it,
planet. Uh-huh.
it is the largest planet in the solar system.
Mm-hmm.
It has many bands on the surface.
Okay, that's correct. Now, you have to make 3 sentences about Saturn.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun.
Mm-hmm.
Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system.
Okay.
Saturn has many moons.
All right, very good, Anne. So, okay, one more. One more,
Uh,
so I can give you a total of 10 points.
Saturn has little rings.
Okay, Saturn has beautiful rings. Very good. Okay, very good, Anne. So good job. 10 points for you in this activity. Okay, now, okay,
Um,
well, let's not do this one anymore. Okay, wait a minute. Let's open another one. We got a few minutes left. Okay, wait for me. Okay, and now this one is the new lesson, okay? It's unit 53. What is it?
Finding your way.
Okay, so, okay, letter A, look at the map and read about Castletown. Find each place. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so, all right, Anne, what can you see here on the map? Can you tell me the name of the places that you can see?
Fruit shop, newspaper shop, pets, supermarket, shoe shop, library, train station. Yeah.
All right, and then what are the name of the streets?
It is River, High Street, and South Street. Yeah.
Okay, what else? There's one more.
Um, um, the another one is the road, not the street.
All right, so what's the name of the road?
That is River Road, and Station Road.
Okay, very good. All right, so now find these places and say where are they?
Okay.
Okay, so it goes under the bridge and round the castle. What is it? So that is the river cross. Okay, wait. The river cross, it goes under the bridge and around the castle. So the castle is near the river. Okay, now, Anne, where can we find the newspaper shop?
Um, it is um, it is um, 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 it is um, it is next to the pet supermarket.
Okay, it is next to the pet supermarket. All right, how about the shoe shop? Where is it?
The shoe shop. Um, um, a shoe shop. Um, I don't know where is this.
Okay, so the shoe shop is, you can find it in High Street next to at supermarket, okay?
Okay.
All right, so very good, and that's all for tonight. So I'm going to see you again on our class on Tuesday, okay, Anne?
Okay.
All right, good night. See you again on Tuesday.
Goodbye.